Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Universe Jarvis. So this is actually going to be a little quick video, and it's for something that I really didn't expect to get, but I actually saw it on Instagram as an advertisement, and I ended up wanting it. And plus, I think I told you guys before, with this particular brand, well, I guess it's a family of two brands. There's a lot of it in our household, so why not, you know? And plus, something that's going to be useful for the season with it being summer, so let's jump in. So this, let's see if I can get in the frame, is the Shark Turboblade XL. It's this really cool fan. Like I said, I was kind of scrolling on IG, which I'm never really on very much anymore, and I saw it as an ad, and I was like, you know what? Let's check this out. So I think what really kind of got me about this is, if you can see right there, you can actually rotate it. So it can be just like a blade kind of going vertically, or you can make it horizontal. And when I saw it, they actually had it, let's see if you can see this picture. You see that picture? It's kind of hard to see down there. Or actually, it's the one on the other side, where they're laying in the bed and they have it there. So I kind of thought it was a good idea, you know, for that. Now, this says accelerates air up to 80 plus feet, maybe. Quiet. It's not like those traditional fans, because I've got a couple of Vornado fans, which still a Vornado fan, but the thing about most traditional fans is they're going to get a lot of dust that it's going to pull into that backside of the grill, and you have to clean it. I actually need to take some of these my fans apart that I have right now and actually clean that, but anyhow, neither here nor there. So this one actually, I don't know what I've been trying to figure out is if this is the newest one or they came out with another version, because actually I've got another Shark fan that's kind of blowing me right now, the Flex fan or whatever. And I wish I had actually waited to get it, because they have a new version now that has a water tank. But that's a whole nother thing, and maybe that'll happen at some point. But anyway, so this one retails usually for $2.99. That's why I said I'm not really sure which version this is, if this is an older version versus a newer version. But retails typically $2.99 on this. Walmart actually had this for 180 bucks, or I think 189, 180 or 189. Let's just say 190 round up. So I kind of had to have it because of that price, because that's almost nearly half of what it actually retails for. So I'm really excited about this. It's got, let's see, it says speeds, fan speeds from 1 to 10, breeze boost, click for oscillation, does 180, and it's got some timers, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours. So like if you're using the bedroom, you could actually set it for, like, say you're gonna sleep for 8 hours and it'll turn itself off. And it has a remote, which I have another little fan. You probably can't see it over there. I've actually got to find the remote for it. It's a Drio, but I know I've got the remote somewhere. And all fails, I can just order another one, I guess. All right, so let's open this bad boy up. See what we got. So here's our remote for it. Kind of standard. Comes with some batteries. Set that over there. We got a little fun quick start guide that tells us how to put it together, and it looks like it should be a fairly simple process. Let's see. And just basically line everything up and snap it into place, it looks like, so that should be fun. The other cool thing about this fan is it actually has a little thing down on the bottom of the base that collects the dust. So it kind of reminds me of like a dryer, where it'll pull it in and you just kind of peel it off, which that's really nice. If nothing else, that'll actually make this completely worth it. Oh, so that's interesting. So it actually tells you what speeds it recommends. It's got nursery, quiet sleep, work from home, watching TV. Got a whole little chart right here. It shows you all that stuff. Press the fan, so it tells you how to do all that stuff. Okay, we'll put that over there. So I'm going to start taking it out of the box, and let's see what we got here. Should be pretty simple to put together. So this is a Shark Ninja household, and apparently for major appliances, an LG household. I'll show you guys my first of this. So this is the base. That heavy bad boy's the base. Let's see anything in here. Yeah, there's actually a lot of stuff in here. I actually packed this really neatly. Alright, so, well, I don't know. Yes, this is the base plate. I'll take that out. Some packing. This is the pole and the blades. Put that over there. There's nothing in there. Oh, well. No, it was actually just that was a trick. That was actually just pack it. All right. So where's those little quick instructions? Let's see. Use assembly stickers to align the base on the base plate. Rotate until it clicks into place. Sounds simple enough. So this is the base plate. And this is part A, and it looks like it's going to show me where it locks into place. This is the base right here. When I tell you guys, I am so excited about this thing. I thought they might not have it in stock because I kept adding it to my cart, and you could only do pickup. You couldn't actually go or have it delivered. Okay, it's actually a pretty sturdy base, so that's the base. All right, so let's see. Let's sit here. Okay, well, that is actually pretty simple, but I'm kind of curious, what if you want to take it off? Connect to place. I heard the click. So I wonder if there's, and this is just for my sake, just my brain is curious. Take this tape off. Oh, that's to rotate it. That's what that does. I want it to oscillate. That's why I have a tape on there. So I'm curious, so if I wanted to well, I'm not going to worry about taking it off. I'm just kind of curious. Alright. Okay. That tape in the wrong place. Alright, so next I guess it's the blades. Oh, and I think I showed you guys, but that's sit on the base plate. That's one blade. This is the other one, and these are also lettered. So you got C and D. And honestly, all these do is direct air. I mean, these are actually super light. So all the air is coming out of this bottom part. This will just allow you to direct it. All right, so it says use assembly stickers to line the red arrow on the pole and the red base. Yeah, I mean, I probably need to read this, but I'm gonna do it like I'm opposed to. And lock is. Okay, I think that's it. And then there's one more part. It's kind of tall, so you know it's a little hard to see. So this so far, I'll sit it on the floor. And then I think it's just, and there's little red arrows here that shows you, I guess, how to align all of this. All right, and so see, you can kind of rotate it. And then move this out of the way. If I want to do that, I can do that. Okay, I'm actually going to plug this up. I'm curious to see how well it works. Oh, I'm going to plug this closer. Let's you over a little bit. What did I do with that remote? This is exciting. It's like Christmas. All right. Gosh, how do I get into these? Doop, doop. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this towards me. Oh, it makes it sound like a refrigerator. I don't know what speed that is. She's a blowing. And that's the oscillation. Oh wait, no, that's not the oscillation. That's me tilting. Oh, so you can manually tell at what angle. This must be the oscillation, but okay. Let's stop that. Oh wow, that is giving off a good bit of air. All right, well, this is in business. I'm gonna turn off. Oh wow, and it kind of moves itself into a position when you turn it off. That's kind of cool. All right, so that's all she wrote for this one. So until next time, Universe Jarvis out. Oh, before I go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Later.